Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, today I have another summer edit sale from FABFITFUN and I want to share it with you. I found so many deals this season that I just kept buying, which I may have a problem, okay? But I want to share it with you so you can see the great deals that I have. On this one, I don't have everything written down, so I may not remember my actual buys, but I will put them up in the screen so that you can have an idea, because I'll go back and try to find my invoice and that'll give me the information I need. But I still want to share these great products with you, and if you're new here, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. We have lots of things on this channel, including the FABFITFUN, other unboxings, travel, decor, cookies, beauty, and I do a little bit of beauty in general. I do a little bit of, I guess, skincare type machines or equipments that might be of interest to you as well. And I do Mask Mondays, so please consider. And all my subscriber friends, yes, they're all my friends. We're one big happy family here. I'm happy to have you back, and I appreciate it each and every time you come to visit my channel and say hello to me. I really appreciate your comments. And guys, let's get on to the FABFITFUN. It came in this box right here. It's all wrapped up. We're gonna zip right through it, and hopefully we can get through this video in a timely fashion. This is what it looks like on the inside. I will tell you, I may have a FABFITFUN bag in here, a mystery bag, and if I do, that'll be for another time, and I will not be showing that today. I will tell you on my FABFITFUN bag, I will tell you that they had a sale and it was $24.99. They're usually $29.99. So I do have one here, and I'm going to set it aside because I'm not going to show that today. Like I said, that'll be for another day, but I will show what I have gotten in this box. The first item I'm pulling out is this little bag. It came with several items. It was like a little kit for $7.99. And let me find all the items that was in this little kit. Here we go. I wanted to get me some more eyelash curlers. I couldn't find mine, so I just thought I'll get another one. So this is a rose gold, and I got all three of these guys for $7.99, okay? We're talking about, this here's a $30 value. It's a Flight Mode Skincare. I don't know if you've heard of that or used it, but it's like an overnight mask. And this here is a Ziggy and Maria's little bag here. And I got this to go in one of my little purses because I like to keep my little cosmetics, you know, lipstick and any other things that I might need. I like it to kind of match my purse. I've got a black purse that this will go with. I mean, it'll go with any purse actually. But anyway, that's one of the reasons that I got this. And then, of course, I got the eyelash curlers. And the eyelash curlers are, I mean, I don't know that I've ever seen a rose gold, and maybe that's why they were in there. They were like a $20 value, but I didn't really care what color they were. I just wanted some new eyelash curlers. So the brand on this is Babe Lash Pro Lash Lifter. So if it lifts my eyelashes, that'll be great, because I don't use false eyelashes, because you all know I'm not very good at that. I tried, and it's too much. I just can't handle it. So that's the first item I got. The next item I got was some Well Wishes. This here is Aura. It is an immune support supplement, and this was like for $5.99. It has a powerful blend of elderberry, echinacea, vitamin C, and more to support your immune system. And I'm very much into wellness, and I know echinacea and elderberry is great. It's good for colds. If you're feeling kind of sickish, these are the type of vitamins and or herbs you can take to help you recover faster and or sometimes not even get sick. And I think this had a $30 or $40 value, but again, I'll have it up in the screen. And there's 30 soft gels or 90 capsules in here, and it says 30 servings. So this is for a month, so I guess you're supposed to take 3 at a time to get your value out of it, but I'll use it. The next item that I'm pulling out of here that I got was some night gel. It's 100% plant-based. And it is Corson Beauty, and it's chamomile infused. So we believe skincare can do more for you. We are two sisters who have set out to create the purest form of skincare, luxurious 100% plant-based formula with everything you need and nothing you don't. So nothing harmful or artificial, no water or fillers, and no compromises, because we know that it's not just about the ingredients, it's about the entire experience. We call it Corson Beauty. So this is designed and crafted in Little Rock, Arkansas. So it's a USA company, and it says directions is to apply 5 to 8 drops to face nightly after cleansing and toning. So hey, I may try that out. Sounds interesting. And this was like $5.99. Don't remember the overall value. The next item I got in here was some false eyelashes. Yeah, guys, this was a set of 2 for $2.99, 2 packages. And I did try to use one of the sets. I didn't have good luck. So obviously that one will never end up in a giveaway, but this one will end up in a giveaway at some point because I can't use it. There's no reason for me to hang on to it, but I got both pairs for $2.99. And then they had some Tula, and I got this Tula product, which is around a $30 value, and it's a lip SOS treatment, and it's the Christina Million, and it is a lip therapy balm. And I don't know if it has a color or not, but I was real interested in the Tula brand. I know it's a relatively new brand company, but I love lip products and I love scrubs and balms. So I look forward to trying this one out. And then the last item that I have in here is the 2 Bandits, and this here was $2.99. And I don't recall the regular retail value. I want to say around $25, but it is made out of plastic. You just wipe with a damp cloth. But look at this. This is a tray to store your jewelry. Isn't that awesome? And then guess what? Yeah, you can just close it back up. And it has like these little felt things in each one, so that it can preserve and keep all your jewelry or anything, I guess, that you're keeping in there. But isn't that cool? So you can have it displayed like this, or if you need the space, you can just have it all closed up. So, and you might be able to travel with this. Not sure. Of course, whatever you have on top, you'd have to have inside there. So this was my edit sale, and this was called the 2 Bandits, and I like that. That's what I had in my edit sale. So we had the 2 Bandits. I call it a 3-tier jewelry holder and collapsible. We had the Tula Lip SOS lip treatment. We had the false eyelashes. We had, which there were 2 for $2.99. We had our zip bag. We had our flight mode and our eyelash curlers. We got our night oil. And we had our well wishes. Now, overall, let me see what my total was on this. Okay, all together with tax and everything, I spent $51.65, and I will find out what my retail values were, and I'll have that posted up there so you'll know what my actual savings was. But I can tell you that I'm pretty sure I probably saved 70 to 80%, maybe more, of the retail value of these products, because FABFITFUN always has fabulous sales. So what was your favorite item? Did you have a favorite item? What did you think of my buys? Did I get some great deals or what? And this was summer, and guess what, guys? Fall opens up today. Matter of fact, it may be open right now, and I'm going to have to go so I can go catch the best deals. So as for today, that's all I have. Be sure and check my description box for any giveaways that are going on currently or collaborations. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.